Good afternoon, it's Jessica here and my lovely mother. Hey Rose. Alright, so I'm heading to the airport right now because I'm about to go to Germany. I have a 16-hour layover there and then I'm going to be heading to Rome for a study abroad that I have for 2 weeks. And then I'll head to Paris. I'm going to meet some friends there. Oh, this lighting is not very great right now. Yeah, so we're headed to the airport. You lucky duck. It's 2 o'clock right now. It is. But at times. It's 2 and my flight's at 6, so we're just trying to get there a little early. Jada's asleep in the back right now. Yeah. We'll see you at the airport. Look who just woke up! So we are at South Center right now. I need to get a couple things. I need to exchange some money before I get to the plane. And I also need to get a cute fanny pack from the Disney store that's on sale. Hopefully it's still there. Yes. Update, we went to the Disney store and they didn't have my fanny pack. We did the ice cream, so I got this orange creamsicle thing. I don't know, from Milk. Jada got her usual mango chocolate. Little white chocolate drizzle, you know? So we're just waiting for the mom and then we're gonna exchange money and then I'm gonna go to the airport. So yeah. So I just got my euro and so I got 300 euros for $381. I am not sure if that's a great exchange rate. So if you know, put a link or put a comment down below because I'm not sure if that's a good rate or not. But I got my money, so I'm good to go. Headed to the airport. Jada's back there. I don't really know what she's doing.
Rome, here she comes! Watch out.
We've reached the destination of the airport right now. We are here at Seattle International SeaTac. Yes, yes. I'm flying on Condor. Jada's in the back there. And we are looking for parking. That is what we're doing.
They don't need to know everything.
Oh, look at this parking garage. Swanky. We got a spot. We got Stitch here.
Oh my god.
Next we've got
Donald Duck.
Donald Duck. And over here we got Myrtle. And there's Jitter. I got all my bags. I got the fam. I'm looking for the elevator so I can leave. What? I got checked in, got my boarding pass, and we are, country. Well, I'm heading out. This girl's an idiot. It is fine. I'm about to go through security. About to head out. Bye, Margaret.
She's leaving forever.
Bye, Jada. Security and now I'm headed to Starbucks because I need some water and food right now. So I got my Starbucks, Happy Jess, mango, onion fruit refresher, found it down there. We are out here, Michael and I. Yes. Hey. Where are we headed, Michael?
We are headed to Heidelberg Castle. It was an hour away, but it turned into 2 hours because
you know.
If you can't, it was thunderstorming.
It was. But look at this weather right now. It's great.
I couldn't see 2 feet in front of me.
Great. There was lightning. It was awesome. But we're out here, and we're gonna go find the castle. So. Catch you there. Yeah?
Yeah. I'm trying not to get lost again. You're good.
the view is beautiful and it just reminds me of home. Right?
It does.
Yeah.
This is your first day away from home and you're already homesick.
No, I'm not homesick. It just reminds me of home. That's the only thing.
It hasn't rained in a while, so.
I just brought it with me.
I like it.
It's fine.
She did.
I did bring the
Thunderstorm and all.
sunshine too. It was sunny earlier.
After the thunderstorm.
Yeah, it's fine. We're fine.
After the storm.
We made it out here to Heidelberg Castle. This is beautiful, y'all. So this is just the view from
We're
this
not even
side.
in the castle yet.
We're not even in the castle.
This is just the garden area outside.
Michael was telling me. Okay, wait. You tell the story.
The story?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So back in the Dizay, the French came and were trying to destroy the castle because they wanted to take it. New emperor's rule, and then the Catholic religion was taking over, basically.
Mm-hmm.
So the French came over, burned down the main bridge to the city, which is over there, and stopped anyone from escaping or making it in, and destroyed half the castle. But we ended up winning. They won. They threw the French off, but they realized they're not going to be able to hold it forever. So the city agreed to burn the castle down so the French can't take it and no one can have it. So that's why it's in ruins now, to save the city.
But it's still beautiful.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
I'll show you in a sec. Hold on. Castle view from the outside.
On cue.
The library.
The library.
The library.
Library.
The dining hall. Let's go to the inside. All right. We're here.
We made it.
We made it. We're here. Now, that looks like a pretty big wine barrel, but look at this thing. This is huge. Oh my gosh. Should we go up it?
Yeah, there's a whole platform you can stand on too. They literally had parties on this thing.
Oh my goodness. This is so wild. I can't even. The largest wine barrel in Europe?
Maybe the world. I know Europe, probably the world.
Maybe.
One of the two.
Most likely the world because. Oh my gosh. And what's behind the castle, you say? The backside of the castle.
The garden.
The gardens. Michael knows. I don't. I'm just following his lead, as you can see.
Now that suddenly don't need words to comprehend what we're carrying in our hands. The future lies ahead of us. Can you feel that we spreading like a dandelion? Like a dandelion. Breathing out some rush. All the feelings they are spreading like a dandelion. The future lies ahead of us. Can you feel that we spreading like a dandelion?
Michael and I are out here right now, and we walked into a wine festival. Hey, I'm ready for this. Cheers me. I said you're supposed to cheers me.
Oh, cheers.
How rude. Did you see that, everyone? He drank without cheersing. No, I'm just messing. But, yes, we found our wine. We don't even know what we got. We found our Rhine wine. No, I don't even know. But yeah, we're not
You
sure.
got rosé.
I got rosé. He got
I have no idea.
no idea, but it's good.
It's good.
And we're just kind of wandering. But you know, we'll see where the night takes us. And we're about to see The Nun.
The Nun.
Oh my gosh, The Nun. I'm so scared right now.
Sorry, I'm
but
dragging you to it.
He's making me go see it. It's fine.
We have hours to kill, so movie it is.
That is true. I have currently, what time is it? I don't know.
It is, no, it's 10:55.
10:55. So I have 10:55, my flight. I have 5 hours to kill. So we are gonna kill it. We are killing it. Killing it. All right, let's do this thing. So Mike just dropped me off at the airport and now I'm trying to go find security so I can check in again and wait till 7 a.m. Great. I am currently at the airport by myself eating a cheese pretzel, waiting, and I just got in because security just opened, and so now I'm looking for my flight to see where that's at. And yeah, it's pretty empty and dead in here right now. Look at this, guys. If I can get it, like, ghost town. No one is here but me, so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.